Warm greetings and a heartwarming morning to you. Is your soul on an unwavering quest for a deeper essence and purpose in life? Do you feel the stirrings of a greater calling, a beckoning towards something monumental? Today we embark on an enlightening exploration, delving into the realm of awakening to your divine purpose and embracing your distinct mission in this grand tapestry of existence. Life is a riveting journey, a beautiful blend of mystery and discovery. However, amidst this awe-inspiring voyage, there are moments of uncertainty and perplexity that might cloud our path. Yet, unbeknownst to many, within each one of us lies a sacred trail, a unique mission that is tailored solely for us. This is our divine purpose, the resonating reason that affirms our presence on this bounteous earth. The quest to identify and embrace your divine mission necessitates a voyage inward, a path of self-reflection and inner discovery. It's about silencing the outer chaos to tune into the gentle whispers of your soul. Have you ever pondered what ignites the flames of joy within you? What pursuits cause your heart to resonate with a melody of fulfillment? The alignment with your innate passions and talents is akin to stepping onto the sacred path that destiny has laid out for you. Now, let us delve into some astonishing facts that underscore the significance of adhering to a purpose and fulfilling your mission. Did you know that individuals with a clear sense of purpose tend to live longer? A study published in the psychological science journal unearthed that individuals who had a high sense of purpose in life experienced a 15% lower risk of death compared to those who were aimless. The magic lies in the drive that a solid purpose instills, propelling individuals to lead healthier and more active lives. Moreover, the journey of embracing your divine purpose might feel alien or unconventional at first, but fear not. Place unwavering trust in yourself and the cosmic orchestration, knowing that you are precisely where you are meant to be. Always remember, your uniqueness is your superpower. The world eagerly awaits your distinctive gifts and contributions. Furthermore, the commitment to a purpose is not just a boon for longevity, but also a catalyst for happiness and well-being. A report from the University of Michigan revealed that individuals with a higher sense of purpose exhibited higher levels of happiness and well-being. Your purpose is the compass that navigates not just your actions, but also your emotional landscape, leading to a profound sense of fulfillment. Upon the revelation of your calling, embrace it with every iota of your being. Let this divine mission guide your actions, decisions, and interactions. Your divine purpose isn't a realm detached from your mundane reality. Rather, it's the core essence of your existence. By resonating with your calling, you're not only cultivating a profound sense of fulfillment, but also fostering positive reverberations in the world around you. Today, I wholeheartedly encourage you to awaken to your divine purpose and warmly embrace your life's mission. Venture forth on this path of purpose and meaning, placing unwavering trust in yourself and the universe to guide you along this sacred journey. Though the voyage may harbor challenges, the rewards awaiting are boundless and immensely fulfilling. Thank you for embarking on this enlightening exploration today, as we delved into the concept of unveiling your sacred path and wholeheartedly embracing your divine mission. If this video resonated with your spirit, I invite you to subscribe to our channel for a treasure trove of inspiration and guidance on leading a purpose-driven life. Remember, your divine purpose is a precious gem awaiting your discovery. Now, step forth into the world. Let your unique light shine bright and resonate with the harmony of your divine purpose.